Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got another investment credit card for you today. Fidelity has the signature Visa credit card that you can apply for today and start investing, even if you're new in investing. If you have no idea, if you've never been advised how to invest your money, where to park your money so it could grow over time, compounding, this might be the credit card for you. So we're gonna go over a couple little data before we get into it. And I will have to say, I personally have a Fidelity brokerage account. I had it probably roughly about 7 years. And I will have to say 0 to 10, I'll probably give it a 10. But I have multiple brokerage accounts, but that's a whole nother story, maybe a whole nother video that we could get into. Now, this credit card, I will have to say 0 to 10, just by me doing the reviews, me knowing the information on this credit card, I will have to say overall, it's pretty much a good credit card. Now, you might be saying, what do I need to get this credit card? Now, out the gate, you need to have no freeze on your credit bureaus. Credit bureau that this credit card looks at is experience, so please do not have a lock on it because you will automatically be denied. What kind of credit score I would need to get approved for this credit card? You need to have a little as a 675 on the low end, nothing under. Don't even bother if it's under 675. Especially if you're looking to get a high limit credit card. Now, I would say this credit card out the gate, if you're trying to look for any kind of intro benefit, meaning that 0 APR for 6 months, 0 APR for 9, 12, 15, and even up to 2 years, now I have to say on the downside, it's not looking good for that. They have no kind of intro rewards for you, but I have to say they do give you 6% on hotels, travels, and car rentals, but you have to go through the portal to get that 6%. Otherwise, you're only going to get 2% cash back on everything else. I will have to say you will get that TSA $100 benefit that you'll be able to use. They have no annual fee, so you don't have to worry about that. If you do rent a car and you get an accident, they will cover everything. They got the coverage for that, so you won't have to worry about that, right? Just to keep it in mind. If you're thinking about investing, yes. So when you do use this card and you're getting your rewards back, you'll be able to transfer it into any kind of account. You could put it in a Roth IRA with Fidelity, and they have plenty of different accounts. You'll be able to transfer that over to, I will have to say, which is really good. Now, if you want to open an account and then you want to look at applying for this credit card, obviously you have to open an account with Fidelity, and then you'll be able to apply, which is really good. And you'll be able to transfer those rewards in any kind of retirement IRA, any kind of account, 529 college savings, cash management. It's so many. We will be here for days. Now, I will have to say again, this credit card overall is more for somebody that want to invest. Again, you might be new in investing. You might not know how to invest. You want to get a credit card where you could gain those reward points and turn it into a long-term investment. This one might be good for you. So on that end, I will have to say that might be a good benefit. Just like the cards I did a review on in the past, the Gemini card, you know, they got the Bitcoin, the XRP, and the Solana credit card. Now, a lot of corporations is starting to do this. When I started my journey, I wish they would have had credit cards like this, because I would definitely, these is credit cards I would have started out and start applying for if this was around when I started my journey a little over 9 years ago. But again, I'm not telling you to go out there and apply for it and use this credit card, and this is going to be the best credit card in the world. I'm not saying that, but if you're looking for a credit card to invest, this might be the credit card for you. And again, no matter what I say, anybody say, I want you to go out there and do your own research. A lot of time people are seeing these videos and they might be following with no knowledge. No, go ahead, do your own research on Fidelity first, then do your research on the credit card. And if this fits you, at that point, you can move forward and apply. Am I applying for this credit card? No, I'm not. You know, I have multiple brokerage accounts that I'm invested in right now, as well as Fidelity. So I don't need to apply for this credit card. I have plenty of credit cards. We all know that if you've been rocking with my channel. So again, this card is gonna have no annual fees as well. A 0, if I wanted to rate this 0 out of 10, I probably would rate it honestly a 6.5, just because it's really not offering you none but an investment lane to go in. If you just want to invest, you want a card just for that, this might be good. You know, they're not really giving you no kind of high rewards, or that 4%, that 5% on a lot of different options. It's not giving that. It's going to just give you that 2% on everything that you're going to be charging, and going to give you that 6% on the hotels and rentals, but you got to go to their portal to apply. So if you want to apply for this credit card, you could go right here, and again, go ahead and create a Fidelity account, and you'll be able to apply for this credit card. Again, man, get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.